Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Arash from the Arash rapper and welcome to my channel. Today I having the Stinger GT. You can see behind me. It wrapped by other shop. Oh my goodness, I opened the new shop in 2 weeks and then I wrapped the 6 car. 5 of them I have to remove the film. Anyway, that's make me very tired. So I'm going to make the 2 video with this car because many people are request how to remove the front bumper. I will do that, and then also in the second video I will show you how to wrap the hood. And please subscribe the channel, push the like button, and then if you want something how to remove, how to wrap with any car I work with, please commenting for me. I will check it, and then if it's possible I will make it for sure. So before I start, I love you guys. Let's get into the video. Now something happened. Customer told me this film it's a Avery. Actually, first time when I saw the car, I say this is not Avery, but for sure this is the Chinese film. Look at that. All everything left the bond, and film came off really small piece. And look at my finger. Please, this is the reason I say don't go for the Chinese film. Look at that here. Look at here. Look all here. Everywhere left the bond. Even I do the steam, I do the heat gun. Look at that. Yeah, after the 5 years, I know how to remove the film. But this is not right film. Don't use it. Jinja, chumbuk film, hajimayo, jinjaro. I have more parts to remove. One side left plus the trunk. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper of the Stinger, and this is most of the Korean car also having the same way but a little bit different. The first things you need to do, if you see here, having 2 plastic cover sticking like this, both sides, okay? And then underneath of this one here, having the 110mm bolt. So first you need to remove that. Then it is back stand, not handy. Let me bring the cup. And another side. Both holding the bumper and fenders, upper part of the fender together. Yes. This one 10mm. And next step is, if you see at the top, all is the rivet with the tool remover. Those are going in like this, and then with the trim remover you just a little bit pull it up and then it's gonna come out very easy. And also underneath it and then inside the fender liner having the same things. This car with the push pin and also 4 bolts. So I'm gonna remove the underneath it. 2, 3, 4, should be 6. Yes, 6. Same rivet like the top at the bottom. Like this. Okay. Another 10 millimeter or is driver, and 1, 2, 3 same rivet. Let me remove those. Korean car is super easy for removing the bumper. If you have someone to turn the handle for you, it would be better. Since I'm alone at the shop, all the video I made, it's alone. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the same things in other side and then come back. Now, you have really gently, this side, grab it, is the bracket holding the bumper together. And then also, upper part side, and then here, 1, 2, 3. And also, don't bend it too hard, just put your hand behind and gently grab it. So, one thing you have to do, Korean car, look at here, having the 2 pin. Let me show you. Those 2 pin here now is go under it. Okay, those are holding the bumper in the right position. And now grab the bumper to remove. And only one harness is here. Now bumper got removed. For the headlight, 1 bolt here, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Another one here, 12 millimeter. Most of the Korean car having 3 bolt, but 2 type, 210, 112. And also underneath it, this bracket is sliding in, holding the bumper. It's 2, 1, 2. So let me open it and show you. Okay. To the light, first I recommend to remove the connector. It's having the 1 pin, make it pet some and done. Remove the 12 millimeter. Go to the cup. You know, everything is easy if you find a way. And when you want to reinstall it, after you put it back and then put the bolt on it, don't tighten it much yet, and then wait after you install the bumper, so maybe you can little bit fix the gap. And after that, you can grab the light like this way, play with that to coming out. That is the best way to remove the headlight. I did show you how to remove the Stinger front bumper and also headlight too. I hope be helpful for you guys. And then if you want this more video like this only for removing the part or wrapping the car, not like with my daily mixing, those are things only for the parts or only for the wrap, please comment it for me, and then if it's possible I'm gonna make it for sure. And also I already cut the film. This is the Avery satin light blue. I'm going to wrap the Stinger with this one. Stay tuned. Tomorrow morning I'm going to record the hood, how to wrap it. That's all. And before I start, I say start, I forgot what I have to say. Before say bye-bye to you guys, please subscribe the channel and share the video, give me the like, and then if you don't like it, please dislike, but write it for me why you don't like my video, so I try to make it a better one. See you guys soon. Bye bye.